time when Nkosi Ngcobo looked like one of the brightest talent at Kaizer Chiefs, the vision, the creativity, the ability to unlock defenders with a single pass. He had all the qualities of a special midfielder. Many fans believe he would have become the next big star for Amakhosi. But football can be cruel, injuries, competition for places, and inconsistency. Sometimes even slow down. Even the most talented players today, many supporters are happy to be against Ngcobo. Talent never disappears. A player like Ngcobo still has the quality to shine. The player like Ngcobo has the quality to shine. If he finds his rhythm and confidence again, the supporters haven't forgotten what he can do with the ball at his feet. Sometimes all a player needs is one moment, one match, one chance to remind everyone of his magic. And when that moment comes, don't be surprised if Ngcobo lights up the pitch again. It looks like the talented midfielder Ngcobo could be talented midfielder Nkosiphiwe Ngcobo could be leaving Kaizer Chiefs at the end of the season. After years of wearing the famous gold and black jersey, dazzling fans with his creativity, vision, and technical brilliance, he might be preparing for a new chapter in his football journey. From academy prospect to first team star, Nkosiphiwe Ngcobo has shown moment of pure magic, reminded Amakhosi supporters why he is one of the most natural gifted players to come through the club. If this truly becomes his final season at Kaizer Chiefs, fans will surely remember the flair, the silly touches, and the passion he brought every time he stepped onto the pitch. But this is not the end for him. It could be the beginning of a bigger journey for Ngcobo as he looks to spread his wings and continue growing as a player. What I have noticed is that when there is strong agenda against certain players, no matter how good a player can apply himself on the day, there will always be people who will want to keep their agendas alive because of being afraid of being embarrassed. Among our fan base, there is a strong wish to see Ngcobo fail. There is a first phrase, he gives us nothing, followed by, he is forever promising. He is not consistent, and the question always asked is that if a player now plays his second match in 2 months, goes on to play his 50 game in 4 months, has a person who applies his thinking thoroughly, how do you then expect consistency in such situations? Do people even know about match fitness or match build up? Usually don't. Get that you gain it by being given minutes. If it doesn't just build up fitness, but it also build confidence, courage, and eliminate fear of being crushed, because every week you are doing something over and over again until you trust yourself. If you speak about losing the ball, you all know that I rate my boy so highly, but he lost a number of balls as well. It's nothing new. Also, I told someone last week my boy has a tendency of hiding when we build from the back. I may not like the idea of playing him in the number 8 position, holding midfielder in certain instances, but he does the job when given that role. I strongly believe he's the number 10. The more closer to the box and strikers, the more he gets to the spot. The runners easily even having some good shot target himself. He's good. He's good for that. Personally, I'm not someone who's obsessed doing analysis for some time now, and I don't usually attach numbers. A wise coach once said stats are like they don't reveal everything. Also, Pep Guardiola was once asked about Bernardo Silva on why he doesn't have convincing assists and goals while he's highly rated midfielder. He answered that if you want numbers, go and research and pull all the stats you want, but Bernardo Silva helped the team plays better all the time. When he's on the field, that's exactly what Ngcobo offers Kaizer Chiefs. Then when the team is not well coached, all I know is that Chiefs plays better with him consistently. Ngcobo best season was under Kevin Hunter, where he carried the team and helped it reach the final of CAF Champions League. He was consistent that season because he was playing regularly. People appreciated what he does, and he believed in himself more and more and perform even better game. Even game time is equal to consistency, but being always on the stands, even when you scored the previous match, will always regret, discourage a player. But I hope his fans will learn something. I hope his fans will learn something from Kosindipile, Jamie, that sometimes it takes a lot to discover and also encourage. And also playing team like Kaizer Chiefs could be a hard thing. But anyway, please tell me in the comments. Do you think that Kaizer Chiefs will offer Kosindipile a new contract, or they will release him, or which team gonna be good for him for the next chapter of his football if it happens that Kaizer Chiefs fire him? Please tell me in the comment your full honest, and please don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend and tell a friend. Peace out.
But don't tell no lie about me, and I won't tell truths about you.
F.O.S.E. just switch step on niggas. Right now, F.O.S.E. just switch step on niggas.